Okay, we're doing an unboxing with Scotty. Let's have a look. This is your PAM.
Yes.
Let's open her up, Scotty. Come on. We've waited long enough.
Okay.
So this here is it originally came from it's even got the outer bag.
Wow.
Look at that.
So bought in Australia or Singapore?
No idea. No fucking idea, Scotty. Let's open her up. Let's have a look and let's go through this. So we've got the
stain on there.
Stain. That's the and the more certainly. It's also got the model number here. It's very important stuff. Look, it tells you that's important. Model number.
Yes.
It gives you. Does that give you the serial number too? I think, doesn't it? Or something.
I'm not
Who
sure.
knows? But anyhow, that's a cool thing.
One thing you need to clarify with the viewers: they were getting up here for saying PAM, and then the following
fuck those bastards.
They were saying it should be PAN.
Fuck.
But
fuck
it clearly says on there.
They're just jerks. I'll just take the invoice out because we don't need to show that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is it? It says it on here.
Okay, Scotty, keep going. Don't worry about it. Keep going. So this is the box. The box.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Just hang on. I'm going to zoom in there. Okay. What do you think?
Nice.
Okay. Open the covers up. What do you think? What do you think?
Impressive.
Do you like it or not?
Yeah, well, let me put it on.
Put it on.
Rubber strap, okay.
No tools.
No, we're missing one. No, whose phone's ringing? It's a fly, okay. I'll have to get the screwdriver. That's easy to pick up.
Just bring it here. The camera's here because we don't want you're a bit fucking girly about not filming your legs and that, Scotty. Jesus, you're hard to please. You know that?
I just don't.
What are you doing?
Being the butt of anyone's jokes.
That's going to deliberately make fun of you then. If you're asking for trouble by saying that, because you know my editing skills, I can't be fucked editing anything. I want quick, fast videos. Let me do the fuck, Scotty. What are you fucking doing, Scotty? Scotty's just fuck. Okay, so have a look at this. Okay. This is the PAM. What do you think? What do you think of the PAM? This is the unboxing. What do you think? I want to hear your opinion of this PAM. What do you think? What do you think?
Beautiful.
Do you like
beautiful.
it or not?
Yeah,
is it better than you thought or what? What do you think? I want to know what you think.
It's beautiful. What can I say?
What do you think?
It's gorgeous. Yeah.
What do you think of it?
You know, I can't even see the scratch on the crystal. It does have a scratch on the crystal on the 7 o'clock, but I can't even see it.
You reckon it does?
Well,
I can't fucking...
remember, I was going to send it into Panerai to have that replaced. I can't even see it, to be honest.
No.
It's in pretty good nick, I've got to say. There's no dings, dents, or anything like that.
What do you think? Are you happy with...
Sandwich dial. Let me try it on.
Yeah, I'll hold it. Let me hold this.
Get that IWC.
Get that IWC away.
Haven't had a 44mm piece on the wrist for a while. Wow.
What do you reckon?
Beautiful.
Are you in love with it now? You were saying to me you wanted to get the PAM before you bought a Rolex because this may be your diving solution.
I've looked, yeah.
Is it as good as you thought it would be, or what?
Well, give me at the moment I like it.
You love it?
Yes. Give me a few, I need a few days or a week to test it out.
Yeah, what do you think?
Could that be my diver? Yeah.
Could that be your diver?
If that can be my diver, then my next piece has to be a GMT.
You wouldn't get a Batman again, would you?
Maybe, who knows? But if I can't, if that's not going to be my diver, then I can always get a
Yep, that's it, Scotty. You
get
got
a sub. Yep.
Well, what do you think? Impressions. Give me your first impressions,
Beautiful,
Scotty.
beautiful. Good nick. It's in good condition.
What do you think?
Do you like the sapphire? Not the sapphire. Sorry, the
sandwich dial.
The sandwich dial.
Is it a sandwich dial?
It is a sandwich. Yep, sandwich dial. Beautiful. Now, a lot of people go on, they say, oh, it's got no second hand, it's got no date. But that's what I like about it. Yes. That's why I've liked it. That's why I chose the 112, because it's just the simplest design. 2 lines of text, Luminor, Panerai. I don't care about the seconds hand because there's no minute markers on a Panerai. You can't count the minutes. What are you going to do with the seconds?
On a submersible you can.
What can you time things with the second hand? Because it doesn't, there's no minute track to. You can't hack it against anything, so I don't care about the seconds hand.
You love it?
Yeah, I do.
You like that Panerai box? Is that a very good Paneristi? Are you a Paneristi now?
We'll see. I could be. Now, I don't know if you know or not, but PAM changed their... A few years ago, they changed the design slightly of their cases.
Yeah?
Yeah, still the cushion case. I mean, it looks very similar, but they did change it. So,
are you in love with it? What do you think of it?
Yeah, let me pull this crown guard back.
It's a bit, yeah, you got to just do that.
Okay.
Always wind it when it's out. You know that, don't you?
Yeah.
When you manually, because it's manual wind movement, you shouldn't wind it when that is up. You know that, don't you?
Well, can you? I don't even think you can anyway. Yeah, it's got to be out to wind, I think. Yeah. What's it got? It's got 40 to 50 power reserve, 40 hour power.
It's a cool watch. What do you think?
Yeah. What do you think of the movement?
It's nice.
It looks okay, doesn't it? It looks pretty good.
I don't have a problem with it. I don't have a problem with it there. I think it's cool. It's a fucking cool watch. Do you like it? Love it?
Is that zooming in on the movement there?
I got to use my finger, but yeah, it is. There we go. Just hold it there if you don't mind. It is beautiful. What do you think?
Yeah, you know, Clive was tossing. I remember Clive saying months ago.
He's got a base zero,
which is beautiful, beautiful.
I don't like the logo on base zero.
I like that. It looks,
you like that logo?
Yeah,
or not? I must say, I think if I had to get one like that, I would get I'd get the 112. I think
I just like the sandwich dial. That's all. The 000 has a.
I think that is a perfect dial. That's a proper looking. That to me is a perfect. That is a very gorgeous PAM. You're gonna wear it today? Put it on. Put it on. It's set. I set it for you.
Set. Thanks for that.
Put it on.
Wind her up. How often do you wind
up your Speedy?
You.
Oh, I do it once a day, same time. You're supposed to do it at the same time every day.
The leather strap's still in good nick. So I'm very happy. There's one thing I've got to check, actually.
Yeah, what's that?
And that is the box. I want to make sure all the box and papers are here with it. So
I did check that, as I said to you, Scotty. So, very important. So, we're missing the screwdriver.
No, that's easily replaceable.
Easily replaceable?
Yep.
So, we'll just do this properly.
And if I'm really finicky about it, I could get a plastic cover for the bezel.
Okay, there we go. That's the papers. Have a look. Tell me what you think.
Okay, let's have a look. So it's got... Where is that card?
It's inside there.
Hopefully it is. Okay, it is.
Yeah, of course. I checked it for you, Scotty.
Okay.
That's what you want to make sure you got.
Yeah. I mean, that's the most valuable piece in the
PAM
box
stuff.
And papers. Well, everything else can be replaced. That cannot be replaced. So... Look at that, 13 June 2006, Bridgetown.
2006.
Yeah, Diamonds International Limited, Lower Broad Street, Bridgetown.
There you go.
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
Name of the original buyers on there. Yeah, it's nice, beautiful. Actually, it's in better nick than I was expecting, like a few scratches, maybe a ding or two.
Yeah. So you got your book. What's that there? Show me what that is. That's just your warranty stuff.
That's just and then that's your, I guess your manual.
Your manual.
Driver's manual. Yeah.
Driver. Okay. Well, that's it then. You happy?
Yep.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Is that what you wanted?
Yep.
He's a pretty cool guy. He's a pretty cool guy. I spoke to Lewis there. He's cool.
Yeah, watch time. Yeah, now I sold my Deep Sea.
The Block Arcade.
I sold my Deep Sea. I did a trade-in for my Deep Sea for the Batman. That was at watch time.
Okay.
Very good service. I was really happy.
They are good people. So you happy with that?
Yeah, very happy.
How do you feel about that?
Thanks for going and picking up for me. That's why I got you those beers.
Thank you so much. That's great.
The Tasmania's finest.
That's great. No, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
So you're happy with that?
Yes.
So we'll just lock this all up for you because I just want to lock it all up. So that's the receipts. I won't show that on the air there, but that's the receipts.
No, that's good.
And so I don't know why they gave us two. You can work that out, okay? One's a tax invoice. What's the other one? Oh, that just shows you the payment structure. That's okay. They're both tax invoice. Okay, whatever one you want to use, whatever. We'll talk about that
Wow.
later. Scotty, are you happy?
I'm
What do you
happy,
think?
I'm
What do you
happy,
think?
I'm
Are you
happy, I'm
happy
happy.
or
Yeah,
not?
yeah,
How
yeah.
happy? 1
I'm
to
very
10.
happy.
1 to 10.
Oh,
1 to
look,
10.
a 7.8.
7.8.
Yeah.
A 7.8.
Yes,
What
yes.
the hell is that, Scotty?
Gorgeous. Oh, it's a 7.8.
7.8. You're happy?
Yep, very happy.
You're very no buyer's sometimes you people
No,
get
no,
the
no,
buyer's
no.
remorse.
Yeah,
Do you have
no,
that buyer's remorse?
I'd be honest, because I bought this at a price where I could always get my money back if I sold it.
Give me the lid. I'll seal it up now so we
So,
don't leave anything behind.
If I had buyer's remorse, I could just sell it straight away and get my money back.
Okay, give me the bag. Do you want to take the bag too? That's
yep.
the bag there. That's your.
Okay, thanks for that.
That's the bag. That's the hour. So I don't know why it's got an hourglass. Anyhow, that's what he gave me.
Oh well, it's just in there. Yeah.
That's that done. So there we go. One happy punter. Thank you.
Okay.
Can't take my eyes on me. My thoughts on me just grow and grow and grow. I am the best there is. I think that I'm so grand, so grand.
Hey guys, my name is Paul Pluta. I'm the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, AC3. Guys, I need a bit of help. I need a bit of help. It's very hard running a YouTube channel relying on Google Ads alone. I'm in a special niche and I speak my mind, and I don't have all those Seiko wannabes, all the people who want assurance about their affordable shitters. So I've got to really try hard to bring in the revenue. Guys, if you like my content, if you think I'm a great chap to have around, why don't you help me out? There's a number of ways you can help me out. This will keep me full-time on YouTube. Look in the description of this video for some ways you can help me. You could sponsor me on Patreon. That allows you to send a small monthly amount to me every month. It can be $1, it can be $100, whatever you can afford. The next way you can help me is, well guys, I really need some money to keep things going. Paid reviews. On the Paul Pluta channel, I run paid reviews. For as little as $20 US, I'll give you an opinion of your collection, of what you're looking at. I'll try and answer. There's heaps of other ways you can help me. I do telephone consultancy. For $50 US, I will talk to you on Skype or WhatsApp and answer your horological or personal problems. Any questions, I'll give it a go. Now guys, please help us out. Look down below, and if you could help us out, I will stay here and make videos full-time on YouTube.